you're at, you know, the situation for Ateneo and National University today, Vida halfway point of the quarter. Be inspired to win big with Avida's halfway point of the quarter. You can talk about James Yap, you can talk about Marcy Arellano, and Renz Palma wants to join the conversation also.
Yes, Renz Palma, you see that layup?
Black against Palma. Screen provided. Black with a teardrop. Father is here. Coach Norman Black, you saw him on your screens earlier. Oh, he must be extremely proud. So,
yes. His hips, his score, I'm sure it's strong.
If Javier can... Sapato, kulit din ito eh. Cabasio gets it to roll in. Javier is running. Trying to outrun Ike back in the second quarter. Then he rested 4 minutes in that Ateneo. Let's quickly go to Laura Lehman.
Boom, due to the overtime last game, both Keeper and Von each clocked in more than 40 minutes of playing time. And this is exactly why Coach Bo told his rookies to step it up today. Now, so far, they've been doing a good job responding. Just like Matthew Nieto, who was starting 5 to boom.
Thank you very much, Lau, for the Copico 78 courtside moment brought to you by Copico 78. Copico's best latte ever. Just to jump on what Lau said, 84 minutes ang linaro ni Von Pesumal. Trying to get away from Batiller. Pesumal strokes it.
Whoa! 3 out of 3 to start the second quarter itong si Von Pesumal. 8 points kaagad yun, partner. Down for...
Another pass! And another pickup by John Apacible, but you gotta give credit. I don't know if it was that. It was...
Try to win that game. Ayaw niyang, he refuses to lose.
Grabe. Alam mo kung sino ang matindi dito? Si Coach Dito Kumani.
Yun niya eh. Basang-basa niya yung laro. Yun yung sinabi niya sa akin. Ayaw nilang pumutok
Panto. Forward pass. Santa Ana with the fake.
I think nobody can outrun the Warriors.
Kung takbuhan lang.
Takbuhan lang talaga.
Down by 10 second half. Boom Gonzalez, 4-time champion, Ren Litualo, ABS-CBN Sports Live. 78, Copico's best latte ever. Is it a case of too much respect?
I don't think so. Kasi naman yung mga tira ng Ateneo.
Ike, offensive rebound again, plus a foul from Gonzalez this time. Yung mga pahampas-hampas na yan na...
Yeah, hindi na kailangan eh.
Easy rebound of the game. Enrique will try again. Gets it to go!
He has the shot. Alam natin na kayang-kaya niyang i-deliver yung 3 points na yun.
Screen provided for Kiefer Avena. Finds Wong at the corner. And he gets it to go!
That's too wide open for Wong. Pag hindi ka pa nakashoot dun, ewan ko na lang. He was like 3 seconds
sa dulo ng third quarter, which led to the 3-point shot of Von Pesumal. Marilla unable to finish.
It's simply their love for the game. But now that things aren't going so well for the Red Warriors, where they have been playing sensitively, Coach Derek only wants one thing from the boys, which is to play tighter defense, saying they must not give up on the system, play man-to-man, and make an...
Finds Bonbon. Nieto is assigned to him. Bonbon right away. Parang hindi na wala.
Ano yung tanong mo kanina?
Sorry. Kaya nga ikaw ang tinatanong ko. Kasi ikaw yung may experience dyan. Ako nanonood lang.
Yung pagtakbo niya sa substitution.
Yun yung warm-up niya. It's Batiller on him, who has 4 personal fouls. Maybe not. Ravena turns around. Oh, that's a tough shot. And he gets it up and in.
It is a tough shot coming from Keeper Ravena, but it's a shot maker itong si Keeper. Doesn't matter if you're in front of him or sa likod niya, he's gonna make the shot.
It's probably just his, you know, his wrist. Whoop. Agaw si Yu. Nieto humabol. Pumreno!
Full speed, stop, layup for Fran Yu.
Forward pass to Ravena. Ravena leaves, fades, gets it up and in.
What a shot by Keeper Ravena.
13 points only only.
Oh, yeah.
13-point loss in the first game. They have bounced back with 3 straight wins. Now, they can rest.
Now they can rest.
Linggo
They have
bukas
the whole weekend, yeah.